now we're going to find the function value of theta. So for us to do that, we must first draw our cast diagram. And remember that theta lies in the first quadrant, which is measured in an anti-clockwise direction. And if you were to label this, this will be your y and this will be your x, right? But now in our A, we have tan of negative theta, right? So to measure a negative theta, we'll have to go in a clockwise direction. So negative theta here must measure in a clockwise direction, whereby this will be our negative y, and this will remain x, and this will be r, right? So now we want tan of theta. So according to this diagram here, we know that tan is opposite over adjacent, right? So what is opposite? Minus y over x, right? So it's negative y over x, of which you know this is what? Tan of theta, tan of negative theta, sorry. So you can just confirm and say your tan will be negative. Tan of theta will be negative. That will be the final answer. Going for B, which is cos of negative theta. So according to this diagram here, what is cos of a negative angle? It's adjacent, which is x over r. So this value here is positive. So it means that our cos will be positive. This is only true because remember that this is 360 degrees and this is 270 degrees. And in this quadrant is the fourth quadrant where only C is positive. The rest of the trig ratios will be negative. So that is why you see here in your A, your tan is negative, and B, your cos is positive. Because cos lies in the fourth quadrant, that is why we are getting a positive number, or a positive function, sorry. So C, we have sine of negative theta. So according to our diagram, we have opposite over hypotenuse, right? So what is our opposite? Minus y over r. So minus y over r. So this tells us that we have negative sine of theta. And as I said, we are talking of a function or a negative angle that lies between 270 and 360, where only cos is positive. So that is why we are getting negative sine of theta, because all the other trig ratios are negative except for cos. Thank you.